Hello kids. This video is regarding the chapter number 5, that is charts in MS Excel. See, Excel is what? It is a software included in a Microsoft package. So Microsoft Office is a package which includes different softwares like MS Word, MS Excel, MS Access. Okay. So in this chapter they have explained Microsoft Excel, which is a popular spreadsheet software which is used to perform mathematical calculations, and it has built-in features like formulae, functions and data analysis, which makes working with data easy. Okay, so in this chart is one of the feature which shows the data visually, or it represents the numerical data in pictorial or graphical form. So we are going to study that how we can create the charts. For this, what you need to do, you just need to go to the start, then all programs in that Microsoft Office. Under that you will open Microsoft Excel. Okay, so this is the screen of the Microsoft Excel. In this you can go to the insert tab. Here you can see this is the charts illustration tab. So here you can see we have various kinds of charts like column, line, pie, bar, area, XY, that means scatter chart, stock, surface, donut, bubble, radar, etc. So these are the charts available in Microsoft Excel, and we can make any of these charts, but we need to write the data. We must have some data, then only we will make the chart. Okay, now we start with the column chart. Okay, so column chart depicts data in the form of vertical bars, and column charts are used to compare different categories of data. So we will make a chart. Suppose we put the heading here, student, next is English, then maths, then Hindi. Suppose we are entering the marks. Now we have to add the person like Saurabh, Nitika, Arjun, okay, Sakshi. Suppose we are taking the 4 students and we are entering their marks out of 100. You can enter any data. Okay, so we have entered the data, our table is created. Now we will select the cells. These are the cells. Then we will go to the insert tab. Then under this we will select the column tab. Okay, this one. Under this you can select any design. Suppose I'm selecting this one. Now you can see the chart has been prepared. So Saurabh, Nitika, Arjun, Sakshi, these are the name of the students and these are the subjects like English, maths and Hindi. Okay, and these are the values between 0 to 100. So English, that is represented by the blue color, maths is represented by the red color, and Hindi is represented by the green color. So this is how we can make the chart of we can make the column chart. Now it becomes very easy to compare the data because the data is represented visually or in a graphical form. So you can see the red data, that means maths marks, they are higher than the Hindi marks, okay, and also than the English marks. So this is how we can compare the data. One more thing, that when we create a new chart in Excel, the 3 chart tool tabs appear. One is design, this one, another is layout, and this one is format. So in design tab you can change the design of your chart, you can take the different colors, okay, and in the layout you can use the different things like shape, chart title, axis, etc. Then in format also you can select the different shape styles Okay, we have different options: shape fill, shape outline. So all these we can use in the chart. We can also resize the chart. You can bring the mouse here. Now you can drag the mouse and minimize the size of the chart, or you can maximize the size of the chart. Now the next topic is bar chart. Okay, bar chart is also similar to the column chart, but the difference is that in this you can see the columns are in vertical form, but in bar chart these data is in the horizontal form. Okay, so we are going to select the same data and we are going to make the bar chart of this. I've selected the table. Now go to the insert tab. Now go to the bar. This is the bar chart. You can select any of the design. So you can see this is the bar chart. Okay, the data is represented in a horizontal form. So I have made this in the single file only. I can move it a bit down. Now we have made two charts in the same file. Okay, similarly we can make the other charts, like we make a line chart. Okay, again we are going to select this table. Then we will go to the insert tab. From here we will go on the line option. So you can select any of the chart from here, any chart design. Now you can see the data is represented in the line chart form. Okay, again we can represent it in the same, or I just minimize the size of it so that you can see all the charts on the same screen. Now the first one is the line chart, other one is the column chart, and this is the bar chart. Now similarly we are going to make the pie chart. Your pie chart is represented in a circle. After selecting the data, again we will go to the insert, and then here you can select the pie chart. You can select any of the design. Now this is the pie chart. This is in a circular form. Okay, it's a kind of a round pizza. So the data is represented in a percentile form. Okay, like this is, you can see 25%, this is 33%, this is 17%, and this is the 25%. So this is how we can prepare the different charts. So you can practice all different charts in your system in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so all of you please practice this in your systems. Okay, and you can try the different charts. You have various kind of charts here: area, scatter, etc. Okay, suppose I take one more example. Selecting the chart, then going to the scatter chart. Now you can see how the data is represented in a scattered form. Okay, so all of you please practice this. Thank you all of you.